Ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing today? Wow, this is amazing. Look at these bubbles. Today, I want us to discuss Baby Dogecoin, Chirpley, and other coins out there that I've talked about on this platform. Yesterday alone, I mentioned Baby Dogecoin, I mentioned Shiba Inu, and now this bad boy is doing so great. Guys, I'm not here as usual to brag or to make you guys understand that I am the best in the TA space or I am a super professional in this industry. No, what I'm here to do is to tell you that I can help you make money in this space. My predictions have been right. Let me bring the chart of Dogecoin here so you guys can see. We are now up to the 10%. Look at this bad boy. I've mentioned about this coin a couple of times on my platform. You guys know about this already. I'm not gonna say this again. You guys know how much I love this coin. But I told you guys when I'm gonna be buying Baby Dogecoin, I'm gonna let you guys know. And I mentioned a couple of zones here before that if say we see Baby Dogecoin break this zone, this area that I've talked about this area, and I mentioned a couple of areas that Baby Dogecoin tried to retest these zones here, and I realized that this coin have found its bottom at those areas. That's why I told you guys that I'm gonna be buying. And yesterday I gave a signal that buy. Most of you want me to give that signal like buy this at this price and sell at this price. No, I have different range that I trade. I don't just go and say buy or sell at this zone. No, I don't just do that. But today, I want us to talk just that. If say you are new on this platform, here is your guide, the Betong. Yeah, I create content to help you make money. Nkap. In my dialect, they say nkap, nkap, nkap. To help you make nkap money. So if say you are new, yes, smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Guys, those of you who are new here and you are wondering, is crypto a great deal? Crypto is here to stay. Crypto, Bitcoin in particular, is not going anywhere. So if you are there thinking that this is one of those scams out there, then you might be the scam. You might be the scam. I think your problem is that you don't yet understand that this is a new asset class, and because it's a new asset class, it takes time to for it to mature, and it takes time for people to understand what it is. If say this wasn't a good space, BlackRock, one of the biggest hedge funds in the world, wouldn't have applied for a Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF. So most of you who don't have here, who don't have information about this space, be quiet. Sit quiet. Now let's dive into the juicy part. Subscribe. I haven't mentioned that. Subscribe right now. I'm so excited because, like, guys, it's good to be right always. Like being right always doesn't mean that you are the best, but being right always means that you know what you're talking about and you know what you're doing. Of course, I'm not always right. I cannot say I'm always right, but most of the time I'm right. And most of the time, because I'm right, you guys make money, right? Look at how Shiba Inu is pumping. Like it's this bad boy cannot stop. It cannot stop pumping, guys. Let's look at Shiba Inu. Let me bring Shiba Inu here because I talk about this also on my platform. I'm gonna talk about Chirpley. Chirpley haven't yet pumped. You still have the time to buy Chirpley, but this is Baby Dogecoin. Let's go to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is like it's a monster. Look at this bad boy. Like the price was here, guys. Again, I'm not like should I say um I'm not a magician. No, I'm not a magician. But let me tell you guys what I told you last time. These zones here, I told you because price is around this area for Shiba Inu, it means that this coin is about to pump. I told you guys this. I mentioned this couple of times, several times on my platform. I also mentioned about this when it comes to Baby Dogecoin. I talk about this. I said because price is at this zone. I even marked these areas where price attempted to break. And I told you guys that we should expect a movement with this bad boy. And now this is what is going on. And again, the reason why I'm confident enough to buy this coin is because of Bitcoin. And I titled this, like how, like where the price of a Dogecoin and Chirpley or other altcoins can be if, say, Bitcoin rise. And this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going towards $45,000. How I know this? How, like, let me bring you guys a chart here that this is one of my, let me bring this chart to you guys so you can see clearly why this is not loading yet. Okay, let me see. Not this one. Okay, this is it. Let me bring this chart here to you guys. Okay, this is the chart. This is Bitcoin. Let me go to the daily time frame so you can see. There is this indicator here. The name of this indicator is called Trendillo. Whenever I see Trendillo printing this green, like should I say area, yeah, this green, I know on the daily time frame is the time for me to buy. Guys, I'm not that kind of a guy who will sit there and will lie to you guys that I'm good at sniping the price. Like, okay, I'm gonna snap the price at this particular price point. No, I don't. That's not realistic to me, and I think it's not realistic to you guys because no one can actually know that this is the area or this is the moment that this coin is gonna pump. But what I can tell you is that there are zones, there are indicators that give you signals. Looking at price actions, looking at Bitcoin, the alpha, what Bitcoin is doing, you can look at other altcoins and realize that because Bitcoin is the alpha in this space, these altcoins are gonna pump. When I saw Bitcoin here, and I saw Bitcoin at this point in time, like in this zone here, I knew that I have to go and check on other altcoins. That's when I started looking at Chirpley. I looked at CSPI also, but this is Chirpley. Now, looking at the daily time frame of Chirpley, let me go back to. I love to use this chart when I'm doing Chirpley. So because I want to, my indicator is the indicator that gives me, like, this is my indicator, this trend line. It gives me the signal to get into the market. Let me tell you what I always want to see, with this indicator. Let me go to Chirpley. Right now, looking at where Chirpley is. Before, this was a zone. This was the area. Guys, don't mind and so many drawings are there. This was the area that I saw Chirpley. Let me bring this here. Yeah, this was the area when it comes to Chirpley. Yeah, this was the area. I knew that this bad boy is gonna go up. And when it made this move, that was when I realized that, oh, I have to come back to this area, to this other chart, and look at where is the price of Chirpley at that point in time. Look, Chirpley was going down and printing this green area here at Chandillo, right? And immediately after we saw Chirpley break that 200-day moving average, and now is above that 200-day moving average. And the same thing, guys, with Dogecoin. You can see I talk about, go and watch my previous videos. Those of you who don't pay attention to my videos, I call these zones, these areas, always, like always when I go live, I talk about Baby Dogecoin. I call those areas, that you guys should pay attention to. Baby Dogecoin is about to pump. I call this. Now, don't feel as if this 10% pump right now is too late. No. If this day close and price is above that moving average, this one that you can see here, this area here, if price is above that area, guys, we can see with Dogecoin move 1x in no time. Let me tell you why. Let me do this, this price action for you guys so you can see which area we can expect with Dogecoin to move toward. Because when you look at price where it is right now, there should be a zone where Dogecoin can move towards. Okay, this is the area from where price is right now to this area here at around 0. And this is gonna be if, say, Dogecoin get to about Bitcoin gets to about 40K. So we're looking at around let me not use this one. Let me bring in this other indicator so I can do it properly. I'm not able to get precise with that one. Okay, now if say it goes to that area, how much are we looking at right now? I mean, the first pump, this is where we can expect price to go. That's gonna be 65% the upside alone with this first move. I know most of you are thinking, okay, that's not possible. It is possible. And today alone, we can see this bad boy move 24%. And if say Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing, it can retest its the last high, which is at around what price point is that? About 2x. So this bad boy can 2x your investment if Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing. And if say Bitcoin have to move to 45k, Bitcoin won't do 1x. No, it wouldn't be 1x. It will just be, let's say, about 10% or 20%. But this bad boy can move 1x. You guys have seen what happened with OD. I talk about OD on this platform every now and then, and look at where OD is. OD is breaking boundaries, barriers. I talk about OD every now and then on my platform. I want to believe those of you who follow my platform, you took advantage of it. And again, when to take profit. The reason why I mark this zone with Dogecoin to take profit, it's not because I realize that okay, I'm gonna be like exactly at that point when price get there, I'm gonna take out profit. No, no. When price get to that point, I want to see what price is doing. If say market structure is like favor higher prices, I'm gonna still be holding baby Dogecoin. But I must have taken out my profit already. I will allow the money I invested in it and take out my profit and buy Bitcoin. That's my goal. How I go about making decisions in this space. So right now, I will tell you guys, looking at the Dogecoin, looking at crypto bubbles, like right now, looking at what the bubbles are doing, you know, there's still opportunity in the market or looking on the daily time frame. There are other coins here that haven't yet pumped, that have high potential. If say you understand how to use crypto bubbles, you apply the techniques I've teach you guys or I've educated you guys on how to go about it. You're gonna apply it and you're gonna make it big time. This is just the first pump. I want to see pullbacks, And guys, everything I do is gonna be determined by Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is not moving, then I'm gonna be skeptical. What I want to see right now, which is gonna happen, I want to see Bitcoin. Like I drew this line here, this area here, long time ago. I said to myself that if Bitcoin break that area, I want to go and buy coins like this one, Chili's. Look at Chili's. Look, guys. Look. If you want to buy a coin right now, like now, Chili's is that coin. Chili's is doing exactly what the Dogecoin did. This bad boy is about to skyrocket, like it's about to explode to the moon. Chili's. I'm gonna buy this. I did it. I thought I bought it yesterday. I'm gonna buy it like after this show. I'm gonna buy it. It's up just 0.78%. And another one that you should also look at is APT Aptos. These coins have not yet pumped. They haven't done anything yet. So look at these coins also. It's about to move to the upside. Look at OP also. OP has made this move, but OP is still at that range or that buy range. The reason why I'm saying this, guys, if we look at coins like, let me show you guys coins that have pumped, so you can understand what I'm saying here when it comes to those areas. Look at Solana. Look where Solana is right now. And look at where, like when price break this zone at this area here. Look at this, when price, let me do this on the weekly time frame so we can see, we can get more data here. No, let me go to the 5-day time frame. The 5 days time frame. I'm not able to get more data here, but let me go back to the daily time frame. If say I can get, let me go to another coin. Let me check on XRP to see if XRP can give me what I want to show you guys. Okay, now look at XRP. XRP was let me go back a little bit so we can see this bad boy what it was doing. Now look at this. Price was playing around this zone area here, and immediately price break. What happened? It retests back that area, that zone, and price after that move straight to the upside. This is what will happen with these other coins that I'm showing you live. Live. Chirpley. Chirpley haven't yet pumped. Chirpley will make you massive reward. I have been calling this coin, like guys, this is one of those coins out there that will make you massive reward. I'm not here as a financial advisor. I'm just here as someone who want to see you grow, someone who want to see you succeed in this space. So go and look at this bad boy. Like, guys, I'm so excited today. Like, I'm so happy because I'm able to do this hard work for you. You don't have to work. You don't have to do this. Like, you don't have to go through the stress, the struggles to sort out the right coins. I have indicators. I have studies. I have the knowledge in the industry. All I'm asking you to do is stick with me. I give you this knowledge free of charge every now and then on this channel. If you want me to keep doing this, I want you to comment below that Beton, keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing this for us every now and then. I can do this every day, but I need you guys to be there with me always when I come here. If I come here, I see 5 people, 2 people. I'm happy that 5 people can make money if they apply the knowledge I share every day on my platform. This is what makes me happy to see you succeed, to see you make it happen in this game, in this, like I call it a game. It's a game. We are playing a game here because there are big players here who have huge amount of money. I'm just like, should I say, peanuts in this space. I don't have trillion of dollars, billion of dollars, right? I don't have it. Like, but what I can do is use the little I have to keep playing the game that these big players play and keep accumulating. And if you look, let me tell you guys another story when it comes to Bitcoin. There is, like, I know most of you, let me come closer so I can talk to most of you guys who are here, who still don't understand the big player. Let me be clear with you guys here. Look at Bitcoin like how Tesla, Apple, Amazon is in stocks. These stocks, like when you look at the S&P, right, or the Nasdaq, there are coins that, when you look at the S&P, that make up the S&P 500, or these 10 or 500 companies in the world, right? This coin, these top not coin, these top stocks, they are the ones that have the most liquidity. They are the ones that have the money in the market. They have the greatest investors, like the whales are in those projects or in those companies. Now, what do? They have made a lot of money. So they pump the money to smaller stocks that have high potential. And when they make money from these smaller stocks with high potential, they use it now to hedge against inflation in the stock market. There's inflation, like with fiat, and also in the stock market. And how does this happen? Other stocks fall in value drastically, like 30%, 50%, but there are stocks that cannot go more than that, because these companies, big companies, they're gonna buy back the stocks to maintain price. So these investors are gonna be buying these stocks with alongside these other stocks. Look at this the same with Bitcoin. Let me give you guys another example with the currency. We have the US dollars, we have euros, we have Japanese yen. This currency are stable, like more of the top currency in the world, because they are the currency that is used to trade in the world. Now, what happened is that investors pay more attention to those currencies, because they have the most liquidity in the market. And when they see opportunity in lesser currencies, they go, like, if say a currency is about to be devalued, like let's say the Venezuelan currency or Zimbabwe currency is about to be devalued, these guys go and make money. When the currency is devalued, they make money. The same as when a lower cap, I'm sweating, guys, like when a lower cap is like when the price of lower caps is tumbling to the downside, it means the whales are getting out to buy the higher cap, like the higher cap, like Bitcoin. So the lower caps, they are gonna pump, they're gonna outperform Bitcoin, no doubt. They're gonna make you massive reward, but this is the catch. If you don't understand when to take out profit, when to know this is it, this is like at this price point, I'm done, I'm getting out. If say you don't understand how to do it, then you're gonna find yourself making money in the space by buying these altcoins. And when they pump, you're gonna be excited, you're gonna be hyped, you know. At and at one point, you won't be able to understand that okay, it might fall like tumble back to the downside, right? Because it's that's what's going to happen when it hype like that. Is because of low liquidity, and these whales are pumping it. Now, Bitcoin is going to act as that stable coin for you, because when Bitcoin falls 10%, those altcoins that pump 60% are going to also fall about 30%. Now you have opportunity to buy back those altcoins because the fundamentals is good. It's not falling in price, in value, because it's a bad coin or it's a bad project. No, it's falling in price because whales have made profit, and they want to cash out profit. That's what is happening. So let's dive back to the chart of Bitcoin. I can see lowercase here. I can see also Fidelis is here. Penny realize, yeah, it's awesome to always see you guys here. But let's go back to the chart. If you guys have any coin out there you want me to talk about, now's the time for you to tell me. You can see I'm sweating. Wow, I'm like I'm sweating, guys. Let's go back to the chat and see what we can do here. Okay, now this is bit Chirpley. I've talked about Chirpley a couple of times here, and I want to tell you guys why I think Chirpley is gonna do 1000x. Let me tell you why. This coin is an AI coin. This coin is more of social impact. What they are building or what they want to achieve is create an environment where small creators are going to have a say in this gigantic space where the big players or the big gurus in the marketing space make all the money. The big creators, they have all the big deals. You say companies want to work with someone, they want to go to people who have like 1 million subscribers, more views, and more stuff. They won't come to people who don't have more of those views, right? So Chirpley is trying to bridge that gap by making it easier for smaller creators to be able to get deals, able to create content, get deals, and benefit from this, from the marketing industry or the creator space, right? Because they are content creators, so they are bridging that gap and they are using AI to do it. Chirpley is the Chirpley coin, or the CHRP is the coin, and buying Chirpley means you are promoting the platform to achieve those goals. That's why I say, because they are more of smaller creators, they are gonna succeed. Tell me, if say you are a creator out there and you see that there's a platform that's gonna help you to go, won't you promote it? You promote it, you talk about it, and you want more creators to get to know more about that platform. So that's why I think if say Bitcoin is pumping, we're gonna see Chirpley. Chirpley is gonna make 10x, 100x. Now, those of you who think that Bitcoin can get to 100K, I'm telling you that we can see $1 Chirpley. And I mean, like, let's see if Chirpley get to $1. How what would that mean? Let's go to CoinGecko. Let me check CoinGecko. Let's see if say if Chirpley get to $1, right? Let's get to Chirpley. Yeah, Chirpley. So let's check right now. They are the number what in the crypto space? 1,757 in the crypto space, and they are buying a Binance Smart Chain project. So let's just say, right, Chirpley get to one Chirpley get to $1. Let me go to the chart of Chirpley so I can zoom this on the weekly time frame to get more proper data. Maybe most of you might not understand like how possible this is. Let me go to the monthly time frame. I want to do this on the chart so we can see this, how much you can make. I'm not going to go to profit calculator. I'm going to do it on the chart. Okay, that's 1 cent. Let me bring it closer. Bring it closer. Talking about 1 cent. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, now I'm at $1. So this is what I do. I take this. This is where the price is. Let me take it from where it is right now and to $1. Do you see what I'm seeing here? Can you see it? That's how many? 174,000%. No, 17,000%, 17,400. That's 17x your investment if it gets to $1, right? Okay, this is huge. Let's say you buy Chirpley right now only for about $50 or $10. And you say to yourself that, okay, or let's just say you say to yourself that every month you're gonna buy Chirpley for $5 until Bitcoin get to 100K per Bitcoin. The first month you buy Chirpley for $5. If say Chirpley goes to, like, if say you buy Chirpley now, like that's the reason why I bought this one now. This converter $5, you're gonna get 821 821 Chirpley if you buy it for $5. So let's say Chirpley get to $1, you're gonna make $800, right? Let's say you manage to buy Chirpley for $100, right? That's how much? 16,431 Chirpley. If Chirpley gets to $1, like, I'm looking at this prediction. It's crazy prediction, right? But it's doable in a sense that if this coin, if I look at the total supply, it's just that the max supply and total supply is this. I don't see any thing more than that. Now we have this in circulation. So if this coin keep doing what it's doing, like based on the lower cap, like of this coin, if this coin gets to the top 100 coin and have a market cap of 1 billion, now this is just 200, about 200 million. You can see the 2.5 million. If it gets to 1 billion, that's a huge profit for you. And the reason why I'm saying this is because most of you think that to make money in this industry is just buying anything you see that people will say, buy this, buy that. You have to be strategic. Saying to yourself that, okay, I've realized that Chirpley or Audi or Baby Dogecoin or Floki Inu of this coin is a good coin. They have good fundamentals. This is what they do. And they have a team building non-stop every day. So how am I going to approach this coin? It's a very low cap coin, and I want to see if say this coin can outperform Bitcoin, because the end point is you want to use this coin to mint more Bitcoin. Because this coin is going to pump and it's going to fall back to where it started, because it's a meme, it's a low cap coin, not a meme coin, it's a low cap coin. And when investors are pulling money out of low cap coin, it's not because it is a bad coin. No, it's because they want to take out profit and buy what they believe is an asset. So this is an asset game. Bitcoin is an asset. You want to be in an asset. You want to always accumulate assets. You trade things to buy asset. You get salary to buy asset. You do business to make money and buy asset. Whatever you do, you should be looking forward to buy asset, because asset is what gives you security. If say you don't have security in this space, then you wouldn't be able to you won't be able to build that world over a long period of time, because money is gonna flow. Let's say right now you're able to make like 1,000% with Chirpley, right? And Chirpley gets to like Bitcoin gets to about 100K. You buy Bitcoin at 100K with your profit of Chirpley, and Bitcoin falls back, let's say 50%. Do you know how many percent Chirpley will fall? All those other altcoins. It's not give you more opportunity to buy back. That's why you see those big like multi-millionaires, like billionaires, they have money based on the amount of stocks or asset they own, and this fluctuates depending on like the market structure or what is going on in the market, like yeah, market structure or how the asset is performing in the market. So if the asset is not performing well in the market, then their value or the asset of their value is gonna drop in price. But they're gonna have more opportunity to buy lower cap. So look at the Dogecoin, Chirpley, and any other altcoin that you are trading or that you are investing in to be a coin that you are going to be playing around Bitcoin. When you see Bitcoin give you that signal, like what Bitcoin has been doing, Bitcoin has given us signals every now and then, like that I am in an uptrend. Bitcoin have made it clear that I am not going anywhere. So why are people looking at Bitcoin as if they want to short Bitcoin, as if Bitcoin is going down? Like if I look at market structure right now, let me look at this through this with this indicator. Yeah, that I mentioned to you guys. Yeah, let's go to Bitcoin. I want to give you guys another alpha that will make you massive money before the end of the show. So stick with me. Now, this is Bitcoin on the daily time frame. If I look at this trend dealer, it tells me that Bitcoin is about to go down. But the only moment I'm going to confirm, you can see I drew this zone here, this area. Let me show you guys this area so you pay attention to it when you are trading. This zone here, you have to see here. If Bitcoin come to this zone and is not able to hold and break this zone, let me take this closer so we can see this here. So look at this circle. If Bitcoin, I've drawn this support and resistance. You can see Bitcoin have broken the support, the resistance above, and now this is a support. If Bitcoin breaks below $32,000 per Bitcoin, then you are selling all of your altcoins. But again, if Bitcoin is around this area where it is right now, then you are looking for opportunities in your altcoin, right? And if Bitcoin attempt to get back in this zone, yeah, because you can see looking at the alpha trend, the alpha trend is this line here going up, yeah. It tells me that Bitcoin is bullish on the daily time frame until I see a sell signal, like what happened here. Once I see a sell signal on the alpha trend and see Bitcoin break around this zone, then I'm gonna be stop bullish with bullish on altcoins. But right now, as Bitcoin is, guys, go and get these altcoins. Get baby Dogecoin. If you look at Dogecoin, let me show you guys also Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin is not sitting at that zone, but if we look at the weekly time frame for Dogecoin, I'll tell you that there's no way you're not you're having Bitcoin, sorry, Dogecoin in your portfolio. There are coins that no matter what you do, it should be in your portfolio always. We have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Dogecoin, we have Solana, we have SRP. If to an extent you must hold it. These are the five coins that if say you want to hold coins long term, like long term, to hedge against your smaller cap project, these are the coins. Now, if say you wanna now say, okay, you want to even be more secured, then you can focus only on Bitcoin and Ethereum. But if say you want to go more further, you can now choose, okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Those are the three coins that you can play around. You know, but again, if say you want to be buying Solana, or yes, let me put Solana in this case, then buy Solana when you have seen Bitcoin like have fallen in price value about 10% or 20%. Sell your Bitcoin and buy Solana. Because when Bitcoin recover like 5%, Solana is gonna recover about 20%. Right. So that's the kind of idea you should be having when you're investing. I said, let me share this with you because it's important you understand like how to go about investing in this space. You can see this coin pumping, and maybe you didn't know, like, okay, let's go now to areas. Okay, I already mentioned that you can where you can take out profit. Now let's see, because there are many coins here that I can share with you guys that are really good coins. But I want you guys to be able to look at not the coin that I'm sharing, but how I go about looking at potentials in that coin. because you might not see the value. Like if say I love Dogecoin or I love Odi or I love Chirpley, you might not see that value in Chirpley. Right? You might say, okay, the Dogecoin is where you want to see the value. That's where you want to buy, or that's the coin you want to focus on, right? Then you can use these same techniques that I'm using to buy these coins, to trade this coin. Another coin that I want to give you guys right now is this coin. Let me get back to is Sweat coin. If say you don't know more about this coin, Sweat coin, go and research more about it. This is an alpha that I'm giving you, Sweat coin. Check on Sweat coin. Another one that I want to give you right now is this one. C CSPRO, that's Casper. Check on this coin also. The last bull market, this coin almost did $1. Yeah, it almost went to $1 in price. But ever since, you can see it has been moving like sideways, down, 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 and it has printed this buy signal here on the alpha trend. But look at this trend line where it is right now. It is closer to this. Let me go back to my indicator so I can see this properly. I love to do this on my indicator. Let me go to this. Okay, this is it on the daily time frame. Okay, you can see it is going closer to it, just almost where like I showed you with Dogecoin. This is exactly the same with this coin. So these are the coins that you want to be buying. Like, just buy and hold it, and I'm going to tell you when to sell it, because I am holding this coin. But if you follow on that coin that I'm not holding, then maybe you can tell me, yeah, like which coin you are holding, so I can also do TA on it. I can see you guys, Lore. Let me see what you guys are saying here. Penida says, greetings, Penida. Says, yes, you gave a heads up yesterday, but I missed out on that. Sorry, you missed out on that. Let me see. Guys, I'm sweating. The coins are mentioned on fire. Yeah, yeah. I'm sweating, guys. I don't know. Wow, it's hot inside here today. It's really hot, and I have you know fan on me, but it's still it's still hot. Let's see. Lowercase says, how do you spell the chilies? Chilies. Just go and CHL. Let me go to chilies. Let me see. So, okay, want to know. This is chilies. Let's do this on. Okay, this is it. Chi is not chi. CHILIZ. Chilies. CHZ. That's the icon. So go and check it out. If we go to CoinGecko, let's look at chilies there. I love to look at most coin at CoinGecko because it gives me like it's easy to see the metrics on CoinGecko. So this coin now is around 102. And if you look at what they do, they are in the sporting or in the bet, especially in the sporting industry. Yeah, not in the betting industry. They are in the sporting industry. This coin is down 91%, 91% from the all-time high, and from the all-time low, it is up 1,774%. Right. So if we look at the max, look at where price is right now, looking at what they do in the space, like what they are all about. Because guys, not all coins that have performed like this, do the same, perform the same. We have to look at coin that perform back and look at where they are, like look at the technology. If say it's relevant, you know, it's gonna like be a technology that people are gonna be using long term. But and if you look at these chilies, these guys have that they have such technology, so that's why I think they're gonna pump. But I'm playing a game here, looking at Bitcoin. I don't care if say this coin 100x, 5,000x, or 1,000,000x. What I care about is if say they keep doing what they do, the fundamentals is good. I'm looking at the upside and Bitcoin. I'm gonna look at the coin as one of my coins to buy. Right? There are many coins out there, so many. I cannot choose all of them. I have to choose the ones I can understand. And you must not choose these as well. But if say your goal is to make money and buy Bitcoin, if you understand what Bitcoin is all about, Ethereum, the future of money, then you're sticking with me, knowing that I'm gonna bring you guys this gem to make you cash, and you're gonna buy this project, and I'm gonna bring more of such coins, not only this one. If I see more opportunities, more coins out there, I'm gonna bring it to you guys to buy and make money short term. Then the goal here is to accumulate more Bitcoin. Let's say the next 10, then not 10 years, the next 2 years, you want to have 5 Bitcoin or 10 Bitcoin. That should be your goal, right? That you're gonna be making more profit in the industry to buy Bitcoin, to buy more Bitcoin. So I think that's it. I can see also Penila running to buy Fidelis car. Beton, keep doing this. You are the best. Thanks so much. Keep doing this. Lower K, thanks so much. Guys, don't forget to like. Lower K, I think it's Chili's, yeah. Um Fidelis car says, please can you talk about Floki? Okay, I'm gonna look at Floki, but I think Floki. Let me just read the comments. Gonna use my audio gains to get some Chirpley. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do that. Get some Chirpley with your audio gains. Let's see. Diary of Wealth, Baby Doge. Yeah, to the moon. Let's look at Chirpley. How much time do I have left? I've been streaming now for 45 minutes. So let me just use some few minutes to check on Floki, because I think you want to check on Floki in. You want me to check on Floki, as well. Floki Inu is a good coin, no doubt. But if I look at the price action of Floki Inu, like again, this Floki is a buy. Like why I say so? Look at this rejection, yeah. Price have rejected these zones, yeah, multiple times. Price tried to make it like it break this price break from it was moving downward. Price break above the 50 and 200 day moving average, and after that, price tried to retest the 50 day moving average again, and we saw price bouncing back at this zone. And as price was bouncing, we saw also the 50 EMA coming up, like getting closer to price. Now let me go back to my own indicator. So let me see if it will give me a signal to buy Loki right now. Because if I look at the previous chart, it says, or if I look at it, it means I should buy it, or it says I should buy it. But let me look at my indicator. Okay, the same thing with my indicator. Even though my indicator, let me go to lower time frame because my indicator is not forming well. Yeah, with Floki, that's the 8 hour. Let's go to the 4 hours. Okay, you can see. Yeah, if let's go back to the 8 hours. So let's just use the 12 hours so we can see. Now, looking at the 12 hours, I will say that looking at this zone here, this area here, let me mark this zone properly for you guys to see. This zone is an area of interest. If we see, like you can see, Floki has been, like price have been getting to this area, and price have formed a good support in this zone here. And you can see this moving average here, this minor indicator is making its way to the upside. And price might form, this is it here. It's making its way to the upside. But I don't think Floki will wait until it gets to that area, that zone. Maybe it can wait maybe 1 or 2 days or 1 day more before Floki is gonna move. But if I look at price right now, I would say that Floki has been rejecting, this zone. Price don't want to go below where it is right now, meaning we might see price go more further to the upside. And right now, I'm seeing this 20-day moving average crossing above the 50-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, meaning this is a bullish signal. So I would say, yeah, buy Floki Inu, buy it. And if you buy it there and the price get down, you buy more. Because if price gets to this area, this zone here, price will bounce back to the upside. So I would say Floki Inu is a buy. Let me see if I can draw a trend line here also to see this. Yeah, like I can see Floki Inu is making an uptrend here. Yeah, there's an uptrend here for Floki Inu. So you can already look at this area here. Let's see if I draw this trend line here. You can see that if price break this trend line, yeah, then we might see Floki get to the next. Let me see if Floki break that area where we can see price go. Price is gonna go to 0.0000426 That's the previous high. Price will not get there, and if price break that previous high, where should we expect price to go? Let me look at this on the daily time frame. Let me zoom this to see where price can get to. Okay, let's see. Wow, price can get to 0.00054. I think we might even say Floki count to 10. Yeah, because it's a good project. You know, it's a good project. All right, guys. I think that's that for today. I've been streaming for a long time now. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the show. If you want me to do this, same time always, you let me know. I want to come here, but I want to see people here so that I can, share with you guys. Even though at times I come here and I just share create content with you guys, or without most of you here available to, but we can have like a period that we can talk about these coins, the ones who look at the market structure, we look at what price is doing, we look at if say it's right time to buy, if say it's not the right time to buy, or if say it's time to take out profit. We can even do this every day. So we check on our coins every day and look at what price is doing and look at what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin gives us that catalyst to know what is going to happen in the market. If Bitcoin is in an uptrend, then all other altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin in that uptrend. If Bitcoin is in a downtrend, then most other altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin in that downtrend. So that's the idea I want you guys to have, and these coins, Chirpley. I even forgot one coin. Oh, why did I forget this coin, guys? Let me give you this coin. This is the alpha I was talking about. The last alpha. This is it. Luna Crush. This bad boy, guys. Like, if you have Luna, you have Chirpley, you have Doge, you have Loki, there's no way on earth, no way. I mean, like, guys, I mean, no way if Bitcoin gets to 100K that you won't make 10x, 20x from your investment. No way. This coin, like Chirpley, this coin last time it used about 3 weeks to 2 weeks to 10x Luna token. So look at this coin. Look at this coin. It has made the first move to this outside. Now you can see this my indicator. I don't, guys, tell me, how should I call this indicator? I'm still looking for a word, like in a proper name. Should I say Tibetan snipers? I'm still looking for a name to describe, because, guys, this indicator is amazing. This is just moving average, but I've combined moving averages together, like 20-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, 200, and I have support and resistance on the same, like it's representing through, it's represented through this moving average. So I have this moving average represent support, resistance, following the trend of the market. So now looking at where the trend is this candle. This, I think this blue, yeah, no, yeah, this green, something like that. It's going to represent the support. Sorry, the resistance. Why? If say price break above that, this zone is going to become um support. Yeah, support. Now it is resistance and it's going to become support when if price break it. So that's how I use it, and I also use it to get signals, like on the daily time frame, to see like where price is, and if price is so close to that moving average, and price has been moving downward, like you see there's this huge gap here. Price has been going, like you can see in this middle, there's a huge gap here. On the daily time frame, this price has been going down, 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 and now price is catching up to the moving average. That's when I'm gonna know, okay, this moving average is getting to a point where we're gonna see massive movement with that coin. And this was a confirmation. This spike to the upside with this coin was my confirmation. Now we see retracement, that's hold, yeah, and now it's moving back up. So get this bad boy. Let's just look at the first movement. If this coin, from where it is right now, it gets to the previous high, we're looking at 3x your investment. Yeah, 3x your investment in no time. This can happen in 1 week. You have seen what all they have done. So why not this coin also? And this coin I've done it before. So go and check out this coin. I want to talk more about it today. I'm going to talk more about this some other time, but go and check out this. Yeah, Luna. If let me show you guys the coin so that you can get it on coin. Because there are lots of scams out there. Don't go and get the wrong one. Let me get the coin for you here. It's not Luna. It's not Luna. The Dokwan Luna. No, this is different. Luna. So yeah, this is the logo. This is it. Excuse. And this coin is down 99. Is down 99%, meaning you are buying it from the bottom. From the all-time low, it is up 49.93, 49 point, not up to 1x, meaning this bad boy is getting back on track. Like this with this coin, guys, you can buy it just for, let's say, only $10 and make $1,000. Try it. I mean, guys, there will be a moment that we're gonna be together and you're gonna tell me that, wow, Beton, thank you for sharing such coin. I'm confident about this coin not because of the price where it is right now, but it's because of the technology, like the fundamentals behind the coin. And also I look at the technicals, what that's done before. I also look at what other investors are talking about the coin. This is a must buy coin. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own due diligence. But guys, that's this for today. I've been sweating like when I'm like in the mood. In the mood, I always sweat. All right, guys. If say you want to come tomorrow, we can do this same time. Not the same time tomorrow, but maybe 10:30 or 10 o'clock. That should be Swedish time. Swedish time is that's gonna be also Nigeria time, 10:30. Yeah, UK time, I don't know. Maybe UK time gonna be about 8:30 or 9:30, something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna be live again, or maybe I'm gonna do a live video in the afternoon or in the morning. I don't know when you guys are available. Just let me know in on the chat. So sorry, let me know on the chat also if say you are part of my community, then we can talk more on Telegram. Let's talk discuss where like what time I have a poll there, like what time you guys want me to be live here, so we can do this. This is a moment where we can make a lot of money. I don't want to be here alone doing this, making these moves. I want to be sharing this with you guys every now and then. 10:30 Cameroon time. Yeah, I'm in Sweden, so 10:30 Cameroon time is the same time in Sweden. So we have same time zone. So in between 10 and 10:30, that's when I can make it every day. I cannot do 9 o'clock. I cannot do 6 o'clock. I can do 3 p.m. I can do 2 p.m. I can do 12 p.m. I can do mornings, but I cannot do from 4 p.m. Up to 9 p.m. So after 10 p.m. I can do a show. So if you guys are okay with that, we can, like if I have you guys here, 6 of you, 7 of you, 5 of you, I'm happy. I'm gonna like do this every day with you guys, and we can learn. My goal here is not just to show you guys. That's why you see me showing you these indicators that you can also use. I want to have sessions where we can learn how to use these indicators on TradingView. I'm going to show you guys how to pluck it, how not pluck it, how to use it. Not pluck it. You're not gonna pluck it. How to use these indicators, because these indicators, they are good. It's not as if they're gonna give you an exact moment to buy. No, if anyone tells you this is an exact moment to buy, no, this is just predictions. We just predict based on what price is doing. But the idea I'm sharing with you guys here is for you to buy and don't care about leverage. I don't want you guys to play with leverage. You play with leverage only when you are a master in that game. I want you, like, if you are playing with leverage like Bitcoin, you are trading Bitcoin 10x leverage with Bitcoin, Chirpley, if like 10% Chirpley is like 5x trading Bitcoin. That's the kind of idea I want you guys to have. That if say you are sorting out these altcoins and looking at where they are and you are buying it, then you can make more profit long term. So see you tomorrow, guys. Let's talk on the Telegram group. Comment, share, and yeah, let's do this another time. Bye bye.